Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sam Shields here. So today I'm going to talk about my daily drawing routine. So basically, in order to get better at drawing, you really should have a pretty strict routine on how you go about practicing your drawing. So probably the best way is to get started doing some figure drawing, starting off with some gesture drawing, then doing some longer poses, and really trying to
practice your anatomy.
Alright, stop it right there. Who am I kidding? Want to know my daily drawing routine? Well, here we go. I like to be well rested for the drawing day ahead and make sure that I have a good night's sleep and make sure I wake up no later than 1 PM. Then I like to sit and stare at my hands for a few hours and see what my future holds. So after I've learned absolutely nothing from playing games, it's time to start doing some figure drawing. And then after I've done a bit of that, I start to hate the fact that the human body is so damn complicated and hard to draw, and I really wish that instead we were just blobs, because that would be a lot easier to do human figure studies. So after that little bit of inspiration, I like to do a few blob studies and get my blob skills up to scratch. After all that blob study, it's starting to get really tired and I think it's time to do some more research. And then it's time to have a bath to wash off all that self-doubt, all that guilt from procrastination, and then once I've washed all that shit off, it's time to start doing some actual fucking work. But then I start to work and realize I haven't eaten yet, and eating is one of the fundamental needs that humans have to survive, so I probably should attend to that. So then it's time to cook up a feast. After I've studied recipes for a few hours to see what's the perfect thing for me to cook and realize that who am I kidding anyway, I can't cook, so I may as well just cook up some 2-minute noodles or fry an egg or something. And then now it's time to draw. Damn, then I get a text which really reminds me that I need to make sure that my social life balance and work balance is really on point. So after this whole day of work, it's time for me to hit the town.
Yes, you know the styles. Check the vibe.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope this was not really helpful because this is a really bad example. So anyway, please like and subscribe, and if you actually do get stuck and you don't know what to draw, I have another video on some creative ideas that you can use to get that creative block out of your life. Anyway, thanks again, peace.